Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Say hello to the 2021 model Peugeot Partner 1000 Professional Standard Panel Van that does come complemented in a clean Bianca White paintwork. You do also have your 1.5 diesel engine, making it well equipped for those wanting to cover extra miles. It does also come as a short wheelbase, housing plenty of advanced features, including your rear parking sensors to assist in those tighter parking spots, alongside your power folding door mirrors to add assistance when stationary. You do also have your 16-inch steel wheels alongside your rear 180-degree opening asymmetric solid doors, revealing more than enough rear load area. Alongside various load lashings to secure any luggage, you do also have your side sliding door for easy access in and out, and of course your wooden finish. Moving into your front interior, you will find your central touch display screen, providing much needed entertainment when you are out on the open road. Just opposite, you do have a very comfortable full cloth trim for 3 front travelling passengers, with alongside your various driving data on your central cockpit. You do also have more than enough entertainment with your wide selection of radio stations and a Bluetooth connection, containing your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to all your vital driving apps, and of course all your radio stations, so it is ideal when you are on those longer, more daunting journeys, with of course your iPod connection and a USB for a wide selection of options. You do also have your on-screen driving functions and vehicle information, including your parking sensors, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse. Alongside your various settings, you do also have your air conditioning and main climate dials, and of course a small storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.